Craig Rice.
Thank you very much, Madam President and members of the Council. My name is Craig Rice. I am the CEO of Manna Food Center, and I'm here today on behalf of not only Manna, but also the county's nonprofit community. First, I want to thank you all for your longstanding commitment to building a stronger, more resilient food system and safety net here in Montgomery County. That partnership has allowed organizations like Manna over the course of over 40 years to grow into serving over more than 11,000 families a month and distributing over 3 million pounds of food annually. But I want to be clear, the system is clearly under strain like we've never seen before. And because even during COVID, while the need was great, we had significant federal support helping to stabilize local safety net services. Today, that level of support is no longer there, but the need has not gone away. In fact, it's grown. Across Montgomery County, nonprofits are facing a perfect storm. Demand is rising sharply, more families, deeper needs, and more complex challenges. And at Manna alone, we've seen a 30% increase in families served in just 1 year. And the challenges families are facing are not isolated, they are layered. People are navigating housing instability, food insecurity, mental health challenges, and economic distress all at the same time. That means more time per client. That means more coordination across systems and more intensive support just to help families stay afloat. Yet funding has not kept pace. And our staff are feeling it every single day as inflation continues to drive up the cost of food, housing, transportation, and healthcare. But nonprofit salaries have not kept up. Real wages for nonprofit workers have continued to stagnate. And so some of our frontline staff are working multiple jobs just to try and live here in Montgomery County and get by. And some are even relying on the very services that some of our partners provide. At the same time, workloads are increasing, burnout is rising, and turnover is accelerating. And what experienced staff leave, it directly impacts the quality and consistency of the services for the families who depend on us. And it's not just staffing, our operating costs are rising as well, food, utilities, rent, and the like. So today we're asking for something straightforward, an 8% cost of living adjustment to county nonprofit contracts and grants. It's not an expansion, it's not a luxury, it's a survival measure. To that end, we're also respectfully asking for the following key budget actions. Use of the emergency funds similar to what we did in November as a guiding compass and provide the Office of Food System Resilience with a $3.5 million increase to sustain and expand critical programs. Protect and increase Food as Medicine grant to $1 million to respond to anticipated Medicaid coverage losses. Increase the school-based assistance grants by $200,000 to support students and families, and invest $250,000 in our Farm to Food Bank program.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.